Imagine having a WhatsApp chatbot that's book appointment, send follow-ups, and reply in any language like English, Arabic, in any language our chatbot will be reply. Let me show you with GoHighLevel. Aslam here from Leads Flex. Today I'm going to show you a powerful system that will work with the WhatsApp reply and booking system, and also they can reply in any language. So let me dive in video and show you all the stuff. So I'm here, it's a chatbot WhatsApp I have attached with my chatbot. I'm going to send message here. I will say, hi, can you help me to book appointment? Aslam here. You see, it will be automatically reply here. I'm not typing and it's up. Yeah, here. Hi Aslam, I'd be happy to work with your booking appointment. Basically, I just make this chatbot with one of my client cleaning. You can see his website as well, and I have designed this awesome website as well. So, for example, I can book here appointment, and I can say, can you please let me know your doctor availability? Then bot will start writing something. Yeah, to check details. Yeah, you see there is a booking appointment, and here you can check the slot and everything. What time your clinic is open? Yeah, you see it's show the time as well. So that's how chatbot working. And I will say that, can you please help me about budget and your all services? It's work in any language, and it will. So let me dive into GoHighLevel and show you. You see, I have make all these automations, and here I have just make powerful chatbot. Chatbot assistant. It's integrated with the ChatGPT, and using ChatGPT, I just make a chatbot. When customer reply, it will be automatically generate ChatGPT reply and send it to customer WhatsApp. And also I have designed this. For example, I am go here, and I will just for testing purpose I'm going to try the book appointment here. Yes, here, and I will say here Aslam here. Just put my dummy number. It's not my number, by the way. I just say, oh, if I cannot put okay, if we can book appointment, it will be sent automatically follow-ups and all the things. And here you can see I just designed complete website in a GoHighLevel. So yeah, that's it, how the bot work and how I design it. If you want any GoHighLevel services and bot developments for AI bots for your local services in any type of your business, just ping me, I will help you here. That's it from this video. I just show you all the working of chatbot appointments automations, and also show you the website as well. So if you want any GoHighLevel services, you need to just type here Google Leads Flex. And you can also find link on my channel as well. Book free consultation, and I can discuss with your business and develop for your business as well. And if you can buy GoHighLevel affiliate link, I can give you all these automations and all the website layouts free of cost and install on your GoHighLevel as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.